India is again here. So we have a very happy news with the Happy Samosa. So this is one of the new samosa center. They just opened in our neighborhood, and believe me, I'm also like it's kind of my back home snacks, and I'm pretty much familiar with the samosas. And I've been a lot of samosa center, but I already checked some of their samosas, but believe me, I never have those tastes kind of before in any samosa center. So I thought let's discuss this and share with you guys. So let's go, and we're gonna go today, and we're gonna share a bunch of different varieties of samosa with you guys. And let's go into Happy Samosa. And Abhi is with me. He owns this place, and he's gonna give us some introduction when they opened and when they started this place. So give us some introduction, Abhi. So where you guys started this?
So we just started around 2 weeks ago, and we introduced the type of samosas, which I think nobody does. And
that's true. I told you in the introduction.
And we have very thin tasty samosas. So they absorb 1/4 of oil compared to traditional samosas. And the filling inside is all fresh. It's made daily every day. And everything is handmade, everything is fresh.
Let's go inside the kitchen. I'm gonna take some view of it. Let's go. I found some places they are cooked and then they cook the sauces, but they use raw samosas. Look at that. So this is really raw samosa, and they cook from the raw. So that's why they have a very different taste from other samosas. So Happy is going to start frying samosa for us, guys. So here you see, this is the chicken, right? Am I right?
Yes, barbecue chicken, and that's butter chicken.
So this is a barbecue chicken, that is the all, and this is the butter chicken. Oh, wow. Okay. So they have a separate fryer here for the chicken and for the veggie as well. So this is the veggie fryer, right?
Yes,
This is the veggie fryer. So all the vegetables are cooked in this fryer, and here is a beef fryer. Start this one. So let me look at that, right? Golden crust, as Abhi said in the introduction, they're using like very thin pastry crust, so they suck less oil, like 1/4 of the regular samosas. So they are very good. Look, I can't like feel any oil here, right? So what's that? Oh, this is a like vegetable samosa mixed with different kind of vegetable and also paneer, cheese actually, right? Look at that. I can find corn, can find some bell pepper, peas. Oh wow, right? So yeah.
Yep.
How are you feeling?
Oh, mouth watering right now.
Let me try that. Very good. Very awesome. So I have to just eat every samosa. I'm not going to eat everything full. So let's move on to the next box, right? I'm not sure which kind of samosa is. It seemed like, oh, it's a shahi paneer samosa. So they have two kind of cheese samosa. One of them is called shahi paneer. And they have some special spices in the shahi paneer. You can see some red color spice there. So let me try without the sauce first. Right. Believe me, I never found those skills in both categories. I was here before doing this vlog. I tested one of the unique dishes in the category. So let me try with the tamarind sauce. They serve the tamarind sauce. Look at that. Awesome. Very good. The weather is very good as well today. It was sunny and busy. Let's move to the next box here. Oh, there you go. This is another kind of the samosa.
Paneer?
No, it's a potato samosa with the peas in it. Just a simple regular samosa.
Classic.
Right? It's also called the classic samosas. Right? Look at that. So I can find peas, potatoes, some green, maybe some buttercrust or maybe coriander. So let's try that. Simple, very more red spices in it, but depends on the regular samosa whichever is available with the other samosa center, right? Let me try with this spicy sauce which has got a very less spice in it. Look at that. This sauce is really chili in it, little bit vinegar in it. Yeah, this goes on. Hit you after when you eat. That's very good. Should we move the next box?
Of course.
Oh, here you go then. This is the next one. Oh, okay. I love this samosa, guys.
Which one is this?
So what they did it, they basically pack there's one South Asian dish called chaat, right? So they pack the chaat inside the samosa. Do you believe?
Yep.
Oh man, it's spicy as well. I already tried before, so that's why I'm telling you I have some information in it. So when I found this place is a very good film, so that's why I make a vlog for you guys. So this is very spicy. It's got some chickpeas in it, some coriander, and you know the chaat sauces, tamarind and some other kind of sauces. They mix it in and they fry it in the samosa and they fry it. Oh, it's very, very, very flavorful. Wow. Very nice. Wow. Spicy, just keep in mind. This is gonna hit you. If you like that spice, this is for you guys. Okay.
That's right.
Before I'm gonna head to those mixed samosas and foras, let me try they are offering. It's a kulfi shake. Kulfi is a kind of a South Asian ice cream. It's a very classical, and they make that ice cream in the shake. Wow. So they seem like a lot of pistachio in it, some cookie flavor, and milk as well. So let me try that. Same old back home. let me show you. One of them is shahi butter chicken and barbecue chicken as well. So look at that. This is the texture. You can feel a lot of filling in it. Some onions. It's very good, very nice. Shortly they're gonna have a halal meat as well. Look at this as well. This also I think so. This is a barbecue chicken. It's very flavorful. It's very nice, and so you can eat the smoked taste as well. Here we have some pakoras. This is a cauliflower. They cut it into the half. Let me try that. This process is very thin, very crispy, very good. And here we have the other kind of the pakoras. They mix a lot of different type of vegetables like potato, onions, coriander, a bunch of things. So let me try that. Same one classical taste. Very nice, very good. Let me try the tomato sauce. Oh, this is half the taste. Wow, very good. All of the flags have a unique taste, have their own taste as well. Very nice, as what it will come here. So the last but not the least, mango lassi. Wow, look at that. Mango puree. They put basically it's a South Asian drink, very famous drink. It's made from the drinkable yogurt. They put the mango puree in it, some ice, some sweet as well. Hopefully it's going to be very, very good. Yeah, it's classical taste, very good. I hope you guys like this a lot. Please keep watching our channel, subscribe as well. That is very hard work, and it's going to be appreciated for you guys. Please subscribe, share with your family and friends. So, yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you for serving us a buffet. So thank you for him because he served us a free of cost everything is here. They offer us free, so thank you very much for supporting as well.